Hey queens, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please join the family by hitting that subscribe button and turn on your posties so you are notified when I upload another video. So you already know when it's a voiceover, we jump in right into that thing. So today I wanted to give myself some highlights, okay? Some chunky highlights. I wanted to do it myself. So what you're gonna need is bleaching powder and a liquid developer of your choice. I will link the ones that I use in this video in the description box below. I get all of my supplies from Sally Beauty Supply Store. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you're messed up. That's important. Anyway, you're also going to need like a brush and a bowl, and you want to use the brush because it evenly coats your hair and make sure it gets on every strand, and it's quicker than using your fingers, but truthfully, I like using both. The unit that I'm doing this look on is actually from Aligrace. The girls over there never disappoint me. Y'all already know the tea if y'all been rocking with me for a little while. I first tried their straight hair back in 2015 and I never turned my back on it, okay? But I decided to switch it up and give myself some time with their body wave slay, and I wanted to throw some highlights in the hair just to add a little bit more life to it and take it up a notch. You know, I'm extra. I'm extra. So now this process is the most annoying, okay? I hate giving myself like highlights because look, it's all about alternating. It's about sectioning off properly and having a really finesse the professor type of feel when you're going in and having the confidence, because you have to keep the bleach on the parts that you truly want it on without getting it on any other parts, and you don't want to bleed into it or whatever the case may be. But like the girl just said, I am a finesse professor, and it was the ghetto over here. I forgot to get some more foil. That's usually what I like using. It helps actually split the hair up, and it just is so much easier than using the saran wrap, girl. But it actually came in handy. I was able to see how like high the hair was lifting. Another good thing about using foil, it actually helps speed up the process and it helps lift your hair faster than using this. You know, if you have a good technique while using the saran wrap looking stuff, you know, kudos to you, sis, but not I over here. It was just too much to work with. But let me tell you, okay, my goal is to get this hair to a nice, pretty blonde moment, okay? But I just wanted to take my time. Why? Because I do not want to fry this hair at all. So I do plan on using bleach again and also some Wella toner to cancel out the harsh yellow hues. So if you see me with a fire highlighted unit on my IG or something like that, just know it's actually from Aligrace, the hair, but the color is customized by the one and only, okay, period. Put the hair out yesterday, the Juicy Crab. Went there. It was a cool 90 degrees out yesterday, okay? And if it was a day to test some hair, yesterday was it. The hair didn't swell up or get tangled on me, so I was happy about that. It's been a full like 48 hours since I've done this look, and I can say I'm actually a fan of the chocolate highlights and the quality of the hair still, but I'm anxious, okay? I'm anxious to take it there. I'm so ready to do it, but like I said, I just want to chill and just let the hair just, you know, take a break, you know? But with all that being said, I love the hair so far. I will keep you updated in my vlogs because I am going to finish the custom highlights in my vlogs. So I need you guys to make sure you subscribe and turn on that post notification bell so you are notified when I upload another video. We'll link their information in the description box below. The links to the unit will be there, as well as previous installs for this company, because they always be coming through for us. I'm trying to tell y'all need to be hip. Hot tool curling iron was not giving me nothing, and I didn't have time and I didn't have patience. So I was like, I'm just gonna use this Baby Bliss flat iron. I will link everything in the description. Thank you once again, y'all, for tuning in. Thank you for being here, supporting me, sharing so many high spirits and vibes with me. And I love y'all. I will see you in my next one. Make sure you join, subscribe, and watch another video after. Poo-poo. Bye-bye. am kind of feeling this a little awkward, and that's just because I was in the middle of taking my photos. This is the new color. I am proud of myself. Let me tell y'all, I was like looking at my video and I was like, you know what? I cannot put this up. They are not going to believe in me ever if I try to put these thick ass chunky highlights on this channel without them looking somewhat decent. Blended it way better. That look is cool and all, but to be honest with you, I do get tired of that kind of like vibe. So I'm like, why would I personally make something that I know that I'm gonna get tired of? Now this right here, I won't get tired of it because it just has those different chocolate elements in the hair and hues, and it's kind of giving you ombre but still highlights, and I can still like play around with lightening the highlights up like in the near future. And I just used the Revlon dark ash blonde box dye just to, you know, get the hues together. Outfit that I'm wearing, the jeans are from Zara, top is from Hot Miami, bag is Louis, chain I actually got gifted, bracelet gifted, and that is it. And hair is from Aligrace. So the shoes are from Fashion Nova. So that is that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm about to go have fun now. I will see you guys soon.